Hello and welcome to this quick video about the NoteDex AI assistant. I'll show you quickly how you can make a stack using a prompt. So at the very top of the screen, you click the AI assistant button and you see on the left-hand side, the wizard opens. And now you can just type in what you would like. So let's say I'm traveling to Mexico for a business trip and I want some vocabulary. So please create a stack of Spanish language cards for my upcoming business trip to Mexico City. Click enter. NoteDex will now create some initial cards and it will tell you what it's going to do, and it will give you the option and a preview of the things that it's going to do. So we'll click as cards and you can see the preview of some of the cards that it will create down there. And if you change your mind, you can also create it as a canvas, but we're going to do it as cards. So you click the green button. Then it says, which stack should I add these to? We'll do a new stack. Do you want to create an AI cover image for the stack? Yes, please. And finally, what kind of image style? Let's say photographic. And now it's going to create the stack of language cards and generating the cover image. And then in just a sec, it will be all ready. And there we go. And let's take a look at what's inside. And so we see we've got cards that have been created. If I open one of the cards, it's saying, how do I say hello in Spanish? And if I flip to the back, there we go, hola. And so it created these various different cards, and you can create any kind of card that you want. It can be some study cards. It can be an outline for a script. It can be recipes. You really can do anything. So in order to close the side window, you click the close button here. And if I want to open it again, I can open it. And I'll now create a new conversation. And this time, I want to summarize a video that I was watching on YouTube. So we can summarize web pages, files, and videos. So here is an example of a video that is Roger Penrose talking about quantum physics. So let me just copy this URL, go back to NoteDex, and we'll say, please summarize in detail. And also I'll give it some more detailed instructions with 10 cards about the key concepts in this video. And then paste the link, and then we'll go send. NoteDex will go out to YouTube, get the transcript of the video. It will then analyze the video for you and then create a set of cards for you. It's a long video, just give it a second. There we go. So it's following the instructions. We're going to create 10 cards and they're going to be in detail. As I mentioned, you can also create these as canvas. So why don't we try that and see what happens? And this time I'll say a new stack. Yes, please create a cover image. And this time will be futuristic. So NoteDex will now create a NoteDex canvas with different cards on the canvas. And we've got the futuristic cover image in the NoteDex. So here we go. We now will open up this canvas and you can see it's outlined the video in a series of 10 cards. And that means that you don't have to watch the whole video, or at least you can preview the video and give yourself an idea. And as you know, on the canvas, you can always move these around and continue to play around. So that's a quick view of the NoteDex AI. We hope you enjoy using it, and we look forward to seeing what you can create with it. Thank you very much.